Hey guys, what is up? It's Tori and welcome back to my channel. So if you guys are new here, how about you go ahead and click the subscribe button. It'll be right down below. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. So today I have a very different video. Obviously, you're probably like, what the heck is happening? Probably not because of the title, but you know what I mean. So I'm going to be doing a what's in my suitcase / pack with me kind of video. I am going to the beach tomorrow with my boyfriend and his family, and I just thought this would be really cool to film, and I overpacked not a little bit, but a lot. Like, this thing was a struggle trying to get on my bed. This thing is packed to the brim, and then I've got all this other stuff that is going with me as well. So if you guys are interested and want to bring it to the beach, then keep watching. This is all the stuff that I'm bringing. I don't know if you guys can see the stuff that's over there, but this is my suitcase. It is packed with everything that I'm bringing except my shoes. Don't know how I'm going to fit those yet. I'm going to have to figure out how to fit those in here. But yeah, that's everything else I have packed. Okay, so let's start off with my purse. If you guys are wondering what's in my purse, you can go ahead and click that link and it'll take you right to the video where I show you everything that's in here. But basically, I'm bringing this. It's got my sunglasses, which you won't see in my suitcase, and you're probably like, you're going to the beach, why aren't you bringing your sunglasses? Because they're in here. And like my earphones for the ride, or my AirPods or whatever, they're in here so that I can listen to music, and I'll put my phone in here. Oh, and my wallet. My wallet will be in here. So yeah. Moving on, let's go ahead and start what's in my beach bag. I just got this today at CVS because I didn't have a beach bag, so improvising. So the first thing obviously is my camera, my vlogging camera. I will be vlogging while I'm down there. I'll probably do like a short little montage video, probably not like a full vlog. And then I have my makeup bag, which I recently put in a haul, so if you guys want to check it out, I'll link it right here. But basically I just have all my makeup in here, and this thing is heavy. And then I have a hat because, wow, that looks terrible on me. That's my hat that I'm bringing. Then I have a book. I'm currently reading Diary of an Oxygen Thief. It's okay. It's not the best. I'm only reading it because I went Twitter viral, to be honest. But that way I can have something like on the beach to read. And then I just have a bunch of snacks, so I guess I'll go through them. I have 2 mini size of the Pringles, the barbecue and the regular. I have some Annie's organic cheddar squares, Cheez-Its, 3 protein cookies. These are my favorite, Lenny and Larry ones. Oh gosh, these are so good. The Frito flavor twist and honey barbecue, these are amazing. Just because I am going with my boyfriend and his parents, and I don't want to like be eating all their food in the house, and I know I'll get hungry on the beach, so I just thought I'd bring that stuff. And then lastly, I just have my laptop and my laptop case. Okay, and then before we get into my suitcase, I am just gonna tell you guys that this is the beach chair I'm bringing. This is a Tommy Bahama. It's amazing. It can recline all the way back, and it comes with a pillow. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it comes with a pillow. And then in the bag, it's got like a cooler right here and then storage. But I have like a little towel in there, like a tapestry. That's what it is, a tapestry. I have that in there. And yeah, so I love this beach chair. But okay, now let's get into this. So this is my suitcase. It's just a marble one, and I love it. I'm trying to figure out the best way to do this. Okay, so the first thing is I have some sheets because, like I said, I'm going with my boyfriend and his family, and they have like a beach house. My boyfriend's mom told me to bring like sheets and stuff for the bed that I'll be sleeping on, and then I need to bring bath towels, 2 of these old ones, and then in this little compartment right here, I don't know if you guys can see that, in this little compartment right here is where I have my washcloth, and I have like a hand towel, and then this is probably where I'll put some of my shoes in these little compartments. I just don't have them filled yet, but that opens, and then you got the whole rest of the suitcase in here. I don't know if you guys are able to see that, but we're going to go with it. First thing I'm pulling out is a curling iron, just because I'll be at the beach, and I don't really want my hair looking like this all the time, so I do want to curl it. Then I have this bag. What is in this? Oh yeah, this is just like hairbrush, makeup wipes, and like a little jewelry thing to put my jewelry in, and then just some more like makeup remover type stuff. And then in here is where I'm keeping all of my sunscreen. I have like 2 tanning oils, a mini sunscreen, and a Sunbum face lotion. And this fits like all my sunscreens so nicely, so when I go down to the beach, I can just put these in my beach bag, and like it's just gonna be awesome. So yeah. And then the last toiletry bag, I know you're probably like, what the heck, you literally have so many toiletry bags, and I do, I know. But this is just the main one. All my skincare in here, shower stuff, and then like miscellaneous stuff in there. So in here I just have 2 sweatshirts, a pair of jeans, some night pants, and some like sports leggings. I don't want to like take them all out to show you guys, but yeah, just kind of like to lounge around in. And then the last thing in this compartment is this packing cube. Oh, I didn't know I had a spot in the back. These packing cubes, I just got them with my suitcase. These are all my bathing suits. I brought a lot because it is a beach trip. So yeah, that's all that's in this side of the suitcase. Like I said, I'll put some shoes in here. But so now in here I just have 2 beach towels. All my nice beach towels are at the lake house right now. So I just went to CVS and got 2 just random beach towels. Okay, and then here's all the packing cubes. So in this first packing cube, I just have some stuff I'm not going to show you guys actually. And then I just have like a nice little PFG. You know those shirts? I guess I'll unfold it. It's just got my monogram on it. And it's just like a little beach shirt that you wear out on the beach. Dutch wear, that's what a beach shirt is. Okay, and then the next packing cube, I just have 3 pairs of like running shorts just in case like I want to run on the beach, or if it is hot in the beach house, I'll sleep in those. And then I have a bunch of like nicer t-shirts, not the ones I normally sleep at home with, just because like I'll probably use like 1 or 2 or 3 to like go to sleep in at night, but then the rest I can wear like out on the beach, or you never know. But like I just brought like some nice like Vineyard Vine t-shirts, or like just nice brands like that, so that way I can sleep in them, but I can also wear them out if I want to. And then the last packing cube is the biggest, and this one I've got 3 pairs of shorts, just all blue jean shorts, like high-waisted, literally they're all the same, and then 1 romper, and then like 3 to 4 tank tops, and like a nice like top thing, I don't know what you call it, some nice t-shirts. Like I have like an Adidas t-shirt in there that I wouldn't wear to bed, I would wear out for sure, and just like a Champion t-shirt. So just stuff like I would wear if we were going out to eat, or going outside of the house. But whereas the other t-shirts I would probably wear just like on the beach or in the house, if that makes sense. I don't know if this video is making any sense. I'm really trying here. But yeah, I'm trying. I'm sorry. Oh, I forgot to mention, this is where all my chargers will be going, like my Apple Watch charger, my MacBook charger, my camera charger, and my phone charger. I'll probably put them all in here just so that they're all together. So that concludes today's video. This was a kind of very messy video, but I still hope you guys enjoyed it. I love watching these kinds of videos. Is that weird? Am I really that weird? But yeah, I do. Anyways, if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. It really supports my channel. Make sure you subscribe. I have a lot of exciting videos coming up for you guys, and I've been really proud of the videos that I've been making and editing and just everything. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Take away the pain every time I feel touch me like you do.